How to get your Acorns 1099 tax form when your account is closed. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You can still access your tax form if you have closed your Acorns account using your computer or a mobile browser. Log in to your account, then select Tax Report. From the Document and Statements drop-down menu, if you still have access to the app, you can log into the app to access your tax forms. You will see the following options after successfully logging in, which is Statements and Tax Form, then Legal Agreements, log out and reopen Acorns. Even if you have closed your account, you may be required to report any earnings made on your investment accounts in the previous year to the IRS. And also, your tax situation is unique, so be sure to talk to a tax professional or visit the website to figure out what applies to you and what you may need to report. And this is how to get your Acorns 1099 tax form when your account is closed. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.